Welcome back to the Terror 2005. 87's right there. It's 9:07 meeting. And as you can see, 568 just came in.
That was the lots of box cars and hoppers.
Yeah, it was a big train.
35 cars, you said.
Yeah, that's right. And now immediately after,
Rate 7, right side Stratford. Right side Stratford 7, thanks now.
now here comes 87 that got the clear in, and 907 seating. And by the way, in 568, you can hear these guys have a Rule 43 at mile 103.56 for 30 miles an hour. Just want to let you know that. 907. Oh, door open for... Hello! I don't even know who that was. Door open. So yeah, 3473, 3317. Wow, it's an all rebuilt Costas except for the engine. All three built cars anyway. 3345, we'll pause.
SSA 87, you'll give your door on the right side, Stratford.
And away they go.
Location 8861, tracking activated.
7, close, secure Stratford, over.
Oh, the games went down fast. Turned off the bell. Wow. They're getting quickly out of here. Last coach is 3321. No wasted time.
What is it?
No wasting time. Thank y'all for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell. See you guys next one.
8861, tracking deactivated.
Alright, see you guys next video.